We constantly remind ourselves that the route to freedom is difficult. As is known, the Islamic government of Nigeria entered into peace deal with known terrorists few days ago. Known Fulani terrorists, but have refused to free His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, in contradiction to the pronouncement of their own court. We are deeply conscious of the loss of properties of our civilians, orchestrated by the Nigerian Islamic Terrorist Army in a bid to undermine our resolve. The reason why the Arewa-controlled federal government of Nigeria entered peace deal with Arewa terrorists is to create a good ground for them to wipe out Easterners who, out of stupidity, joined Nigeria terrorist army. In that way, systematically reducing the numerical strength of Biafran nation. May we again advise non-Arewa people, Biafra people, Oduduwa people, to leave the jihadist Nigerian army for their own good.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello friends, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Biafrans, today being 28th of September 2025. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching us from. This is Magnetic Jigs TV. We are bringing this news live and direct to you. The Biafran Liberation Army made this video. This video is a kind of warning to those that are sabotaging the struggle for Biafra. They are also using this opportunity to call upon their brothers. The people that they call their brothers are those from the south and the southwest that are still serving in Zoo Army, to detest or to resign immediately, because very soon they are going to carry out more attacks to defend the Biafran land. So according to them, in this video, they say that since the government has refused to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but the same government is engaging in peace deal with terrorists from the northern side of Nigeria, that they have no other option than to start defending their father's land or their ancestral land with every necessity that they can.
In the name of the Biafra Liberation Army, I would like to greet every human under the sound of my voice. This press briefing is taking place today, 21st September 2025, in the midst of so many challenges. We implore all lovers of justice and freedom to come together and unite each effort to get justice for the marginalized people of Biafra, a people threatened with extinction. Liberty is the natural condition of the people. Servitude, however, is fostered when people are raised in subjection. Why freedom may be forgotten? Why freedom may be forgotten by many, there are always some who will never submit. Biafra Liberation Army will never submit to the dictates of the oppressive Nigeria Islamic Terrorist Army. Our lives are lived in pursuit of equality and justice. We express gratitude to the millions of people who materially support this noble struggle. We constantly remind ourselves that the route to freedom is difficult. As is known, the Islamic government of Nigeria entered into peace deal with known terrorists few days ago. No Fulani terrorists, but have refused to free His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, in contradiction to the pronouncement of their own court. We are deeply conscious of the loss of properties of our civilians, orchestrated by the Nigerian Islamic Terrorist Army in a bid to undermine our resolve. The reason why the Arewa-controlled federal government of Nigeria entered peace deal with Arewa terrorists is to create a good ground for them to wipe out Easterners who, out of stupidity, joined Nigeria terrorist army. In that way, systematically reducing the numerical strength of Biafra nation. May we again advise non-Arewa people, Biafra people, Oduduwa people, to leave the jihadist Nigerian army for their own good. For record purpose, Biafra Liberation Army is an organized force saddled with the responsibility of defending the land of Biafra, rooting out criminals and saboteurs. We have the right to court-martial any fighter that engages in malpractice. It is our prerogative to allot due punishment to such person. We must commend the Chief John Azo Mbata, Chief John Azo Mbata, President General Onez Ndibo, for at least mustering the courage of appealing to the handlers of the zoo, Nigeria, to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The subjugation of the old Eastern region and the blatant refusal, the blatant disregard of their own laws calls for the fundamental rethinking on the part of our brothers and sisters who pitch their tent in the camp of the enemy. The Biafra Liberation Army is taking record of the role each person is playing in this perilous time. Our existence is meaningless if we are constantly deprived of enabling environment to prosper. Our existence is meaningless if we keep having enemies as international representatives. People like Abike Dabire, the chairman, Nigeria in diaspora. Only cowards.
Guys, you see how Ikenga Urago is still mocking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ikenga Urago is saying that there is no way government will ever release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being tried on terrorism. That government will never ever release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know why Ikenga Urago hates Mazi Nnamdi Kanu this much. Just listen to Ikenga Urago and hear what he said.
There seems, I keep saying it, there seems to be two set of rules in this country. One for the Igbo man and the other one for every other Nigerian. Where every other Nigerian gets a reprieve, the Igbo man would not get a reprieve. You look at even the issue of the health. the health situation of our brother. There have been many circumstances where people have been given opportunities to go and seek medical care, yet Nnamdi Kanu is denied. So, but for the Igbos, I'm more disappointed with the Igbos. The political leadership of the Igbo land.
And the buyer can on for the politician. Wait for the politician. If about the problem in the Igbo face. You see this type of politicians, they are the fundamental problem in the Igbo face. They will always come and preach to you how Nigeria is treating us. But how can their position? Even aspiring for more higher position. They are even training their children in school to come and lead you. But they will always come and tell you how unfair Nigeria is to Igbo. Look, I want to address this our politician from Abia State. My brother or my father, whoever that you think you are to me, if you want to defend somebody, defend that person. Don't bring Igbo into what you are doing. Don't bring Igbo. Stop setting us up. The person you are defending is so good, but you will not let your children to join him. Whatever Biafra they are fighting for is so good, but you will not even go and present it before the president. But you will come and tell us that we are doing it good, but you don't want to present it in the house. Why are you people so deceitful now? Why are you people deceiving the youth? You knew it's not possible to grant somebody who is facing terrorism charges any permission to go to, any hospital of his choice. You knew it's not possible, but you are making it to look like it's possible, but they are not allowing him to do that because he's Igbo man. Why are you doing this? Why are you planting this seed of hate? Why are you doing this? Why are you politicians from Southeast? Why are you deceiving your children? Why can't you tell them the truth? Why can't you tell them what is possible and what is impossible? But you keep making it to look as if everything is possible. Oh, they can do anything they like. Oh, they can, they can say anything that... You are lying. You are lying. You are not telling your children the truth. Your own biological children, you will not allow them to do this nonsense. But you are preaching to others to feel that what they are doing is right. Tell me in the history of Nigeria, when they face terrorism charges, and happy Ojebe taking care of himself or herself now outside Nigeria. Who is that person? Uncle, who is that person? Show me that one person who is facing terrorism charges in Nigeria. Then the competent court in Nigeria granted him, permission to go to abroad to go and treat him or herself. Why are you deceiving us now? Or because of this deceit, they waste our years doing what is rubbish. You are making us to feel like something like a country is coming inside a country. Why you knew it's not possible? Why can't you tell people that it's not possible? Why are you calling in Igbo? If Igbo have to do with who you are defending, on Igbo send the Yanya me on there. On Igbo send the Yanya possible on army. On Igbo send the Yanya possible on the police. Or when you have not permission from Igbo, Mbwana art if on art or consult on Igbo. Can you hear me now? You have to stop. Uncle, you have to stop. Stop playing with us. Look at it where our people are dying. And you are making it to look like, oh, it's normal. It's just a normal thing. Ndibo, it seems like in Nigeria, there's a two set of law. One for Ndibo and the other one for the other Nigerians. Why are you doing this now? Is Nigeria that bad and you're still a politician in Nigeria enjoying the dividends of one Nigeria? Why are you doing that? If Nigeria is that bad, I want you to leave your position. Leave that your position as a politician. If Nigeria is that bad, why are you planting this seed of hate? Why? Making it to look like Nigeria just hates us. Why now? But your children, they are in school and they are not schooling to become a leader in the same Nigeria. And you are preaching to us that Nigeria is unfair to us. Brother, leave that your position. Then I will believe you that Nigeria is that bad. Leave that your position. Look at you. You are aspiring for more higher position. But you are telling me that Nigeria is not good. Stop that, Uncle. I don't want to have problem with you, but you need to stop.
Here, this young man has also given Ikenga Uruagu back to back. In fact, he has given Ikenga Uruagu what Ikenga Uruagu deserves, because according to him, he wanted to talk reasonably with Ikenga Uruagu, but Ikenga Uruagu blocked him. So he now have to make this video to tell the world, to tell Biafrans that Ikenga Uruagu, somebody should go and verify if Ikenga Uruagu is indeed an Igbo man. This is what this man is saying in this video.
Ikenga Uruagu Newi. Actually, made another video, and the video Neo Maka again. And I think after me video, Mom's video also, Basataraki. I think day before yesterday, I made a video where I asked you a question for you to clear me. Now some certain things in a video Basala and Igbo. You couldn't clear me on that. The only thing you went and blocked me. It's a block if it's a video merege. Makamom negaza wajwa. Obo negaza we need the show of what you're doing. You would have answered me that question. But as I the question, you went and blocked me. You got to go. Man, I block mabo a problem. I just want to tell you block mabo a problem. But my problem when I saw me yemuji make we made the video. Then I found an email with another video again. In a ku na ku maka the same thing. I in a ku basara Biafra and all these things. In a corner, some of people, Biafra agitators, choro ije establish a country, name country the groni. The mba watch Chavida, Muamu. My brother went to correct to no. You will become a member of IPO, your own member of IPOB, which I am not. Into I'm not, but I always stand on the truth. But all I know that I'm an able man. I don't believe in any Igbo man what is going on in this country, Nigeria. But when you talk exam, you say talk my brother, there was also Biafra. Biafra has been in existence. I just want to explain this thing to you. Because having me actually establish a country mother. Listen to me. And we go a Biafra before. There are also Biafra. There's been an existence of Biafra. And what Biafra has been existing, if you don't know, bear it in mind. Let me just clear you on this. Because I'm one of the members of IPOB. IPOB means Indigenous People of Biafra. IPOB, that's why I don't deny it. Indigenous Peoples of Biafra, but Manama, Biafra, the guy in existence. Bear this one in mind. You're just against Igbo people. That's the only thing. And they don't want to answer my question. Because you know what I'm telling you is truth. It's not sabo, genka, never sabotua. Somebody want to against Igbo people who saboto Igbo. Let me be sincere to you. Only want to against Igbo people who sabotua to Igbos. Because although my Igbo we here. It do against Igbo people. You can only do video in what is happening in Igbo land. But you want to keep a video in Yemen well, sir. You want to keep a video even in Yemen and Yoruba. You want to keep a video in Yemen that this country Nigeria. The Nigeria state you know what we are passing through in this country. At this country. You know what is Kriyanes and the Kanu na Nigerian soku. Opo kemo onye keme Libya ko bi de ma. Iyaro na north Seluya na east. Iyaro na southwest, Seluya na southeast. Okonya woni yene soku. Odo na Lagos nyado na east. Odo na north nyado na east. Iya yenye ndasa sinye ndi Igbo. Ya yenye ndi Yoruba sinye ndi Igbo kunya woni soku. Why can't you stand on the truth? Why are you a saboteur of Igbo? Because a lot of things I was wondering, you are a saboteur to Igbo people. Because Igbo should know that this is where I come from. Man, make it die. The way some material is bad. My brother, I want Nigeria. I want a good instruction at this country. What is Biafra? I don't even talk about Biafra. I getting me? I believe in one. Let me just tell you, I believe in one. But let them arrange things the way it's supposed to be, which I was expecting you, name a video always, to do it, to say it. Just say it. Let this thing be like this. You only making a video to Igbo people, condemning Igbo, condemning any other areas of Igbo land. All some videos seen me. I know it more than you. Almost some hacking, I say, Namugamo, but I don't have completed on your bodo. Upon all you, I'm completed on your bodo. I'm Nigeria fully. I'm on travel. So enjoy my video. Make a video that on your fiancé, you're fighting for this country. Not you're fighting against your people. You're anti-Igbo people. Let me just be sincere to you. You can't get Igbo anti-Igbo. Because someone able anti-Igbo. The video I made, you know the block. I'm watching your video always. You would have answered me, but you're anti-Igbo. I won't do any other video for you. But I don't want people should not be believing everything you're saying in social media. Some of them are lies. People should not be believing you because a lot of things you're saying there is lies. It's not about Gesabo, but they behave like Gesabo to us. People that against his people. People that against his people. Where Sabo call. I'm not talking about Imo State or whatever. All I know that I'm against insecurity in Igbo. I'm against insecurity. I am against it in Igbo land. Even in Nigeria as a whole, I am against it. But you are anti-Igbo. You're always against Igbo people. No, it's not Igbo. My brother, maybe videos, but I just want to clear you. Because I'm you ran away for the question. So that is just it. Thank you very much. Continue deceiving people. Continue talking. Continue painting Igbo people black. But everybody on painting Igbo black. Igbo people, Igbo. The Igbo land will be against that person. That's the only thing I will tell you. Thank you very much.
Stephen Cross is still annoyed with what is going on in this trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Stephen Cross did not even like Bianca Ojukwu. According to Stephen Cross, he said that Bianca Ojukwu is the architect of all these things that is happening. He said that Bianca Ojukwu is the one that worked with the government of Nigeria for Finland to arrest Simon Ekpa. That ever Simon Ekpa was arrested since last year, Biafra land has never been the same. So many things has been happening in Biafra land, and they have now started using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case for a joke.
All right. Good morning once again, Biafrans. Good afternoon, good evening, depending your time zone and where you are watching, hearing me from this very wonderful 26th day of September 2025, being the date of our leader Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court hearing. And before I speed it up to that section, there was something I saw. Somebody sent me something on my comment section. The person went as far as chatting me up on my Facebook page, saying, his name is Mr. Afamo Kafo, saying, Mr. Rose, and I quote, saying, Mr. Rose, you do a very wonderful job, do a very wonderful and fantastic work, but the issue of you insulting your sister, our sister, and our mother, Bianca Ojukwu, it is not ideal because everybody protects theirs. Even the Yorubas, Hausas protect their own. You can't be calling her names, and we know that maybe she has done some mistakes in the past, but we need to embrace her because she is one of the reasons why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court case is coming up on the 26th of September 2025, and you should as well please apologize to her, because it will be a credit to her if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. The most important thing is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu being released. Thank you. All right. Afametolo, I thank you. You know, yesterday I made a video for my office, from my office here, and then tell you how Bianca Olo is, and said a lot of words against her which I think I am going to apologize to her for that reason. And, you know, because I understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be coming out today according to what you said. Anyways, I want to really and sincerely apologize to myself. I want to apologize to myself. You know why? Because I have not started dealing with this woman. Afam, so you have all these things, you know all these things, and then our people have been kidnapped, unalive by the Nigerian government, suppressed. They've done all manner of things to our brothers and sisters. You couldn't write all of this. That's why you are writing for me. I think I'm even very lenient with my words. Do you know what that woman did to Biafrans? Do you know what that woman cost to Biafrans? It is because of her. All the massacre from December 2025 happened. Or December 2024, I mean to say, happened. All the whole massacre in the whole of the Southeast. Because she connived with the wrong people. Nigerian government that was fighting her husband to remove a man who was defending Biafran land. And today, what is the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Before I continue with that, I want to say happy birthday to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yesterday was his birthday and he spent that birthday in jail. You see, Nigerian government will always waste your time, waste your life, waste everything around you to make sure that you become a useless person. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has built his own empire, and that is the person that they are telling me, a legendary of that nature, is the person that they are telling me that they want to release to a prostitute. That can never happen under our watch. It can never happen. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu defeated Nigeria in their court. Defeated them outside their court. So what else are you telling me? Who is Bianca Ojukwu? Bianca Ojukwu is a traitor to the Igbos. Bianca is a criminal that went to collect a contract from the Nigerian terrorist government to bring down his own brothers. What are you telling me? You are telling me so that I should be sympathetic to her or what? A woman that could destroy what the husband built for years, trying to make sure that we break out of Nigeria. And somebody was doing it. And the woman came and then connived with Nigerian terrorist government and Finland to bring down Simon Ekpa. That was defending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You people didn't know the effect of what Simon was doing and to Nigerian government on releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are telling me to apologize to her. I mean, shame on you, Mr. Afam. Shame on you. So you have all this knowledge, you have all this sense to write this thing. And they are destroying our brothers and sisters markets in Alaba International. They are destroying their buildings. They are burning their houses in Lagos Island. And you cannot say anything about it. But you are here to advise somebody like Crusade. I don't know how you Igbo people, you Igbo men think. I am not here for that. Believe you me. What I am here for is to make sure that the right thing is being done and the right things are being said. Listen, Nigerian government is a terrorist organization. They pet the terrorists and they turn their AK-47 guns, sophisticated weapon, on the southeast, in the Igbo, where the terrorists are invading land, community, raping. They don't even go there. They don't even cross there. When the chief of army staff comes to talk, he will try to protect them. But when he speaks about the Igbos, do you see the aggressiveness? Do you see the aggression that he used in talking about Igbo? Oh, Simon Ekpa is a terrorist. Hey, we're trying to bring down Simon Ekpa and bring him down to Nigeria to face what judgment? If anybody is meant to be in prison, it should be the Nigerian government, Tinubu and his cohorts. All of them should be in prison. Tinubu came and employed you and he started unaliving our people. And then you are here telling me to go and apologize to Bianca Ojukwu. What your husband was fighting to get, you could not do it. You tried to destroy it. Now it is a woman like you that went to bring that document. And you want me to sit here and say, oh, Bianca Ojukwu, she's this, she's that. Oh no, she's a criminal. She sold out. She's a traitor. She should not be seen in Biafran land. A traitor. We are not here to manage words. We are here to say it the way it is. Look at Nigerian government that you are working with. A known criminals will be arrested. Terrorists, bandits will be arrested by the Nigerian forces. And you know what they will do to them? The people that have even killed some of these, unalive some of these soldiers in the forest, unalive them, slaughter them like chickens. They will bring them after 5 months. They will tell you, oh, they are now all repented. They've been, they've gone through therapy, they've gone through this training, and they are now all repented. And they will give them AK-47. They will give them their Nigerian security uniform and reintegrate them back to the society. You reassimilate them into the society. And that is the country you want me to clap for. And that is the country you want me to be happy about. Nigerian government is a terrorist organization. I keep saying it. I am not going to hide my mouth. But again, I want to tell Biafrans today that I do not believe that Nigeria is going to do the right thing by releasing Onyenduma and Nnamdi Kanu. Let them prove me wrong for the first time. Let them prove us wrong. Nigeria can never release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. This is me telling you. If they do, then I will know what causes it. And again, I want to remind Americans that you have a criminal in Nigeria. His name is Abakari. That was supposed to be extradited to the United States of America. It is not the only Yahoo boys that you people will be looking for. There is a criminal that Hutch Poppy used the money that he was stealing from other part of the world to give, to threaten people, to unalive people. His name is Abakari. The file should still be on your table, FBI. So call for that file. We need him to be extradited. A lot of Yorubas are committing atrocity all over the world. Do you see it on the internet? Only Igbo here. Let's us talk about these people. One Oba of them, I think Oba of your state, or I can't remember the state, defrauded America. He flew back to that America because he has a company there and he was arrested. Did you hear it from anybody? Some of these Yoruba boys, they were caught in drug trafficking in Iceland. Did you hear it? Yorubas everywhere committing crime. Igbos are doing their businesses, and yet you are still angry about us. You call us a terrorist. The day we play your tape for you, you will run. Their tape, these Yoruba people, your tape. Most of you are saying, "Oh, let us be one Nigeria." I want you to understand that today is a day that we are waiting for Nigeria to release our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, who has committed no crime against any country, who has committed no crime against the Nigerian state. What he's doing is legal, and the world used Nigeria to keep him in perpetual bondage. Tomorrow, you people will be clapping. Tawuri is working. Tawuri is working. But this is your own Tawuri now. You cannot clap. You cannot go and, march on the streets for the release of this man. My prime minister was detained. My leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, is detained for doing the needful, for defending their land. And you people are still in poverty. You are still in bondage. I thought when they kidnapped Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria was going to be good. It became worse. I thought when they took away Simon Ekpa, that Nigeria would be one of the safest heaven in the world. What is happening today? Most of you are running out of Nigeria. I see some of you will chat me. Oh, Rose, how can I come to the United Kingdom? It be like saying you sabi. I know they reply. You will see me. I never respond to you people because I know you people are riffraffs. Most of them are Yorubas. Chatting me of my Facebook. When we are preaching to build our nation, you people are running out. Oh, yeah, stay there now. Some of you will come and say, oh, Nigeria is the best country. Why don't you stay in that best country? So on this note, I want you guys to understand that we are not going to leave any stone unturned. You see, Bianco Ojukwu remains a thief that is working with Nigerian government, most especially General Christopher Musa, and a known terrorist government called Tinubu and Shetima. Tinubu is a drug dealer. Tinubu is wanted in America. He knows he can't fly to America. I keep saying this every single day. Do you know that Tinubu, this man that you call Tinubu, sponsored election against Trump? So he knows he can't go to America. He was a part of the people who made sure that Trump does not come into power. So I know what I'm saying. If they bomb Tinubu, well, they can go America. That is the president of a nation calling me a terrorist. But this man cannot fly to America. Let him fly to America now. You people will come and call Simon Ekpa. Who gave you that audacity to call Simon Ekpa a terrorist? Who gave you that audacity? I see one general sat down. Oh, since Simon Ekpa has been arrested, the Nigerian government has, there's calmness in Nigeria. Lying to the public. Deceiving themselves. Deceiving everybody. Nigeria is worse. Even Simon Ekpa is in. Simon Ekpa was stopping you from stealing and unaliving Biafrans. And you called the internet because you could no longer fight it. With all your military sophisticated weapons, you could not fight Simon Ekpa. That is in Finland, giving order. With some few boys. Look, defend our territory. And you people could not come in. And you went to start calling Finland, we are unalived. Oh, Finland. And did you not tell Finland, did you not tell the world that you bribed Finland with money and our mineral resources? Why don't you tell them that before they could remove Simon Ekpa? Why are you people hiding that one? You gave them 60 years contract and you gave Alexander Stubb money to do that evil Chirac judgment that he brought out. You gave them money now. You are not telling the world. And they tagged him a terrorist. It's a badge of honor to me and it's a badge of honor to Simon Ekpa, who is going to be better than every one of you when it comes out very soon, because you people know that you can't win this case. You know you can't win it. Why didn't you tell the world that Finland said, oh, we recognize your independence that you declared in Latin Finland, but the way you went about your succession is not good, which we are contesting in court today. You didn't say that, but you were quick to tell them, oh, he's a terrorist. But you have the main terrorists that you are encouraging, giving them ammunition. Terrorists is addressing the Nigerian military. Nigerian army. Terrorists is using, they get terrorists with AK-47 bullets, chain guns, and cartridges on his chest, addressing them. Have you ever seen Simon do that? Have you ever seen Nnamdi Kanu do that? But yet you call us terrorists. But it's a badge of honor to us. You didn't tell them that Finland even accepted our declaration. I don't hear online government, online country again. I don't hear it. It has subsided. Very foolish people indeed. You think we don't have sense? No, Simon Ekpa was removed. All of you, from A to Z, are all terrorists. Terrorists. The Nigerian government, starting from Musa, the president of the nation. I don't even call that animal a president. That Tinubu is not a president. He's a thief, a criminal. With all his security serving chiefs. All of them are thieves and criminals and terrorists. All of them. They are the one terrorizing Nigerian citizens. Today they will see Simon terrorist, Simon terrorist, because he could not defend him in his own land. He guided his land and you went to take him away. By the effort of the Finland president, because you are promised, you didn't tell Nigerians, you did not tell him you didn't tell them the bilateral agreement that you people went in, the negotiation, what you promised them for 60 years, the money that you gave them for this judgment to be served. You didn't tell Nigerians. And we're going to, I am opportunity now. You think we are here to joke? You think Nigerian government think we are foolish? We don't think. Did you tell them that? You went as far as trying to bribe the same Finland to go and collude with United States of American FBI to guard Dr. Ngozi Oreboweze. Did you not tell them that? Why didn't you tell them that? Criminals everywhere. Simon is a terrorist. You will see Chief of Army Staff sit down in his chair with all those decorated this thing that he has no knowledge about anyone. Oh, Simon is a terrorist. He's the one terrorizing the Southeast. Oh, since he was removed. Criminals everywhere. Thieves everywhere. But you see this last push to freedom, we will deal with every one of you. You don't know how prepared we are, do you? We are watching. Very soon, this is not a threat. Biafra is now a sovereign nation. General Christopher Musa, I don't call you a general because you're a criminal. Remove your military, your police.
So Biafrans, this is exactly what is going on at the moment. What do you really think that is going to sort all these things out? But let's keep praying with God, I believe everything will sort out well. Let there be peace in Biafran land. Let there be peace. We all love you. Please share this video, and let us interact in our comment section. Bye.